Diesels are way better. What are you talking about? Steam engines are way, way better than diesels. We're stronger, but you take more people to maintain. You're not anywhere as good as diesels like I am. Oh, yeah? Well, look on my train. Any questions? I'm just gonna... Bye. Hello everybody, my name's Jack, and I've been doing stuff on the layout. Lots of work getting done out here. So I'm gonna show you what I've been doing today. About a year ago, I got this covered bridge, and I had to hook it up to the transformer, to the accessory power right there. But until now, it was all exposed, hanging off the edge of the layout. So I drilled some more holes and made it run underneath there. That's just the tip of the iceberg for what I've been doing, wiring-wise. If you'll look to the green wire right there, that wasn't there before. Before it was just those black wires, which are thinner, higher number gauge wires that run to this terminal track. But with such thin wires and only the one terminal track, it couldn't power the whole layout properly, because it's just too much track for that thin wire. So I got this roll of 50 feet of 12 gauge wire. I ran it from there all the way under the layout. I held it up with some wiring staples, you can see them right there, to that track. And now all I need to do to make a full connection throughout the whole layout, both electrically and track-wise, I need a 1 3/4 inch straight right there, a 1 3/8 inch straight, and a 5 inch straight right there. I only have 2 5-inch straights though. One is right there, and one is the uncoupling track in the yard. I got a video request a while ago from someone telling me to make a uncoupling track video. Right now, me and my brother are looking at... I'm looking at a Legacy engine, and he's looking at a Lion Chief Plus engine. So if we get one of those, then I'll wait until then to make the video, because then I'll be able to do all kinds of uncoupling remotely instead of just in the yard. So if I do get those engines, the one I'm looking at is Norfolk Southern Heritage Diesel. It's an SD70 Ace, and it has all the normal Legacy stuff, so I could do that. And because of the 9-volt battery pack that you put in them, it won't make the weird cutting out noises. So because of that new wire, the trains run a lot more smoothly. I got new smoke fluid too. Here we go. Oh, these couplers aren't keeping up very well right now. But the power now goes all the way over there. I also got a puzzle, and it's of a painting called High Hopes. It's a painting by Angela Trotta Thomas, and it's a 1,000-piece puzzle. I framed it. It's kind of drooping down, but I'll straighten that sometime soon. And this tender does kind of act up with its sound because of dirty rollers that I can't clean very well. I'm using rubbing alcohol now. That's been irritating my hands, but I got some latex gloves to protect them from that. So, track cleaning, new track wiring, all things getting fixed out here. So pretty soon, I'll be gluing all these people back on, completing that area of the track, and later on getting grass for the whole layout. And if I do buy it, then you'll see a review of a Legacy engine sometime. So that'll be the end of this video. If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe for updates whenever I post a video. Hit the bell too, because then you get notifications. And I'll see you in the next video.